that's not what we're here to see. The elevator we're here to see is right in here. Oh, right, here it is. Oh, we're not gonna take too long of a ride. Oh my God, look, you can see the hoistway for the passenger elevator in there. Look at that. Or both the passenger elevators, you can see their hoistways. Oh, I just farted. I need to take a shit. Oh, look, you can see that counterweight for the other one going. It's leveling in the down direction. It looks like it's pretty close to the bottom. Wish I didn't hit the button because now I'm not gonna see this thing coming. There goes the counterweight. Here comes our elevator. Oh, here comes that elevator. Which one's gonna come first? This is really cool, just watching. Oh, it's our elevator. Come on. Oh, let's see those other ones come down. Oh, here comes this one. Here comes this one. All right. That's cool, you get to see them going. All right, now this might be the tallest ECA I've been on to date. A 12-floor ECA. We're not gonna ride it all the way up because it's short on time. Whoa. Those things snap up, if I remember correctly. Yep, that alarm is loud as shit. Okay. Yeah, this thing hasn't changed. Oh, look at this thing. The old, like, bird cage. Whoa. What the fuck was that? Oh, is this thing gonna go? I think these go the same speed. That's really cool though, you can see these other ones going. Here it comes. Or not. I don't know. Anyway, we'll take it up to 12 and end it there. Oh, wow. You can kind of see up to the top. Bro, I keep fucking farting, dude. They're not like loud Jim Lee elevators levels of farts, but they're fucking farts. Also, fun news. My fucking AirPod, the not the pod itself, but like the little rubber piece that goes in your ear that you can replace. Jeez, this thing's loud. Actually fucking melted clean off. It's so hot, which sucks because now I gotta buy a new earbit. I mean, it's not the worst because the AirPod itself is fine. I don't have to get a new pod. Just the little earbit, which is like $2, but still, it's annoying. All right, that's it. Goodbye, Mr. ECA.